Long weekend na naman po, kaya naman itry natin tong bagong bukas na Zark's Burgers. Located sila sa lower ground ng SM Bikutan. First time ko mag-dine in sa Zark's at nalaman kong meron na rin pala silang rice meals. So, pagpasok nyo pa lang, very well lit at napakaluwag ng pwesto nila. Also, very accommodating din ang mga staff. At first tinry namin is itong cheesy bacon fries. Yung fries nothing special, yung bacon tsaka yung cheese talaga yung nagpasarap. May kasama ring garlic ranch dip for only 199 pesos. Good for 2 to 3 person na siya. So, ang in-order ng eldest ko is itong cheesy bacon mushroom nila. And sa akin naman is yung Zark's Ultimate na halos pareho lang kasi parang may bacon. Mas marami lang ata cheese nung cheesy bacon mushroom. At syempre, moment